Let me read the question now. For the question 2, part A, express P in terms of K of, for the first Roman, x to the power of 2k plus P equals to 1, whereas for the second Roman, a to the power of P equals to root k, a in a bracket power of 6. Okay, for the question 2, part B, given that 3 plus 3 to the power of y divided with 3 to the power of 2 in a bracket x plus 1 close bracket equals to 84, express y in terms of x. So this is the overall question. Okay, so take your time to solve this question and we will begin the discussion in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us begin our discussion for the question 2 part A. Start with the first Roman. Okay. Okay, for the first Roman, given that x to the power of 2k plus p equals to 1, we need to express p in terms of k using this given equation. So how are we going to solve this equation? Okay, so this one we can actually convert into x to the power of 0. Okay, remember guys, x to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so from here, x to the power of 2k plus with p equals to x to the power of 0. Okay, so this is your first step, because we all need to make sure that the base is same in the left hand side equation and the right hand side equation, which we have already done in our first step. Okay, once this step we have done, the rest will be very easy guys. Okay, so from here, the base we can cancel them out. Okay, so from here you only left with 2k plus with p is equals to 0. Okay, so from here, since we need to express p in terms of k, so from here this 2k from the left hand side you move it over to the right hand side. So from here you get p is equals to negative 2k. Okay, so this is your answer for the question 2 part A, first Roman. Okay, let us proceed our discussion for the question 2 part A, second Roman, where they gave the equation a to the power of p equals to k root a in a bracket power of 6. Okay, so let me write the equation now. A to the power of p is equals to k root a, okay, and then in the bracket to the power of 6. Okay, so I know this looks a bit complex, but we can actually arrange this into the index form. So how are we going to do that? Okay, it will be very simple guys. Okay, so from here, a to the power of p is equals to, okay, the base is still the same, remaining the same, so you write the a over here. Okay, and then from here, since it is having a root form over here, so from here you just write 1 over k. Okay, and the power you just times. So from here, 1 over k you times with 6. So from here, let us continue the working. A to the power of p is equals to a to the power of 6 over k. Okay, so from here we can simplify the base a respectively. So from here you get p is equals to 6 over k. So this is your answer for the question 2a, second Roman. Okay, let me underline the solution. Okay, we have done with the question 2 part A. Let us proceed our discussion for the question 2 part B. Okay, so from here, the question asks us to express y in terms of x. So let me write down the full equation over here. Okay, so from here, given that 3 plus with 3 to the power of y, okay, then divide with 3 to the power of 2 in the bracket x plus 1 close bracket equals to 84. Okay, so from here, let us proceed our working. So from here, what you're going to do is this 3 from the left hand side, we're going to move it over to the right hand side, so it will become negative 3. So from here, 84 minus 3 will be 81. Okay, so from here 3 to the power of y over 3 to the power of 2 in a bracket x plus 1 close bracket equals to 81. Okay, up until here I hope you guys are clear about the working. So from here what you're going to do is this 81 we're going to break in terms of base 3, guys. Okay, so how are you going to do it? So it is very simple, guys. So this 81 we can express in terms of 3 to the power of 4. Okay, remember 3 to the power of 4 you can get back the 81 itself. So from here let us do the simplification over here. So 3 to the power of y and then divide with, okay, this 2 in a bracket x plus 1 we can expand them. So from here you get 3 in a bracket 2x plus with 2. So from here you get equals to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so remember guys, okay, it is involving the division over here. Okay, since it is involving the division, okay, the index you can just minus them, okay, by using the law of indices over here. So from here what you're going to do is 3 to the power of y, okay, and then minus in a bracket 2x plus 2 close bracket. Okay, be careful guys, make sure you include the bracket over here, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, and then equals to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so far so good. So from here let us proceed our working. 3 to the power of y minus 2x minus 2 equals to 3 to the power of 4. So from here, okay, we can no longer simplify this equation. So from here what we can do is we can cancel off the base respectively. Okay, so from here you only left with y minus 2x minus 2 equals to 4. Okay, so from here you get y equals to 2x plus 4 plus 2, and from here you get y is equals to 2x plus 6. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for the question 2. I hope you find that this video is useful. If you like this video, make sure that you click a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming advanced tutorial videos in the future, and make sure that you share this video to your friends. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.